happening?
Well, we've just left Earl Bay, which is a very pretty little anchorage. It wasn't very rolly, and it was last night, so we didn't get a lot of sleep. You wouldn't want to try brain surgery in there, put it that way. We're off now to Middle Percy Island.
This is the Capricornia coastline. It is forbidden to anchor anywhere here during broad-scale military exercises. Starboard we pass Dome Island and Split Island. Nice morning sun. Steve and Sandy are looking for whales. It's a beautiful morning and the dog's happy to be alive. We're just going past the Duke Islands now and we're getting closer to Middle Percy Island. So this is South Percy Island and we're just heading up towards Middle Percy. That's North Percy and this is Middle Percy. Land ahoy! Finally here. We're coming up to anchor in West Bay on Middle Percy Island. This is the A-frame which was built during the 1960s. Yachties have been leaving their calling cards and plaques here for years. Every time a bad storm blows across the island, a lot of the trivia is blown away and the process has to start over again. It's all quite fascinating. The first permanent resident lived here on the island back in 1860. After that it has been run as a sheep and cattle station, coffee's been grown here and a homestead was built by the White family. You can see why West Bay is the most popular destination. It's a gorgeous setting amongst the coconut trees, white sandy beaches, the blue ocean and glorious sunsets each night. There are many walks around the island too. It's quite a good walk up to visit Annie and Robin who are now leasing the place. They live high up on the mountain in the homestead.
Track up to the homestead on Middle Percy Island, which appears to be the old telephone line. It's where they've run the old telephone line from the A-frame up to the house, which I would imagine no longer works, but that's what it would have been in the old days. And there's a bit of a butterfly grotto here, it's full of butterflies.
is the lagoon at West Bay. It is tidal, which makes it quite a unique feature. Because of the tides, it dries out to little more than a mangrove sandbank at low tide, and on a big high tide you can get deep keel boats in and safe from bad weather. Let me take you outside. So I had to come up these stairs. Found this room, but then you come out onto the veranda. And there's just a lovely view right back down to the lagoon where we've been. It was quite a steep walk up to here, but it's well worth it. That's down to the boatyard. Next day, we're moving from West Bay to Whites Bay due to the wind. We've sailed into this tranquil bay with a family of whales just frolicking and taking their time.
Beer. Wow, okay, they're moving a bit now.
So here we are at Whites Bay. It's located on the southeast side of Middle Percy Island. The colours of nature here never cease to satisfy. It is a secluded beach and it looks back over to South Percy Island, which you can see in the distance. We hope you're enjoying our journey. Thanks a lot for coming along for the ride. If you're keen to receive notifications for our upcoming episodes, please subscribe, then hit the bell button to be notified. Next we're off to Scawfell Island, Cockermouth Island and then on to the Whitsundays. We look forward to your company then. Stay safe, well and happy.